Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Kingsland, and welcome to this work of art, more commonly known as 34 Finch Street, Western Springs. And I call it a work of art because in a past life it was a 1940s post-war home. And with a little bit of time, effort, blood, sweat, the occasional tear, and not an insignificant amount of money, it has been transformed into a modern, luxurious home. Let's go and have a look. Exceptionally private from the road with a beautiful landscaped entrance, this home exudes class and will impress from first glance. It's well laid out with accommodation and entertaining areas well separated, and there are 3 bedrooms in all, with the master having a beautifully appointed ensuite. The family bathroom is glorious and such a relaxing space with a large skylight bathing you in glorious sun. And there's a separate office or study space off the hallway to meet the modern needs, and this flows to the open plan living and dining. And what a wonderful space this is, with Abodo wall panelling and 3.5 metre high ceiling to add a touch of luxury. This area is one you will love to spend time in. It opens to the outdoor entertaining through large sliding doors, and that's protected from Auckland weather with the louver roof for all year use. The front garden is perfect for the modern family, with terraced grass areas and even a spot for the trampoline. The basement area is such a versatile space. It's immaculately finished and it's perfect as a workshop or extra storage. It even has a lockable wine cellar. There are 2 off-street parks to round off this package, and the city fringe pocket is hard to beat, with a fabulous array of entertaining options, Morningside Precinct, Kingsland Village and Grey Lynn right nearby. Westfield St Luke's for shopping or movies is just a 5-minute drive away. Of course, the zoo, Motad and Western Springs Park are an easy walk too. This truly is a lovely home, and we cannot wait to show it off to you. Make sure you book a time to view or come along on the weekend to the open homes. We look forward to seeing you here.